Farm time!
Okay, this is weird. I'm out of here.
Life on the farm can be very difficult. There are many types of farms. Everything from full dairy farms, which are farms where they milk cows, to sheep farms, horses and ranches, crop farms, and many other types of farms. Farm life can also be very enjoyable. Taking care of fun animals, running machinery, and enjoying lots of land and freedom. Today's farm feature is a big square baler. These big square balers make really big bales of hay that can be fed to the animals. Lots of kinds of bales can be made from alfalfa, grass, straw, and several other things.
Remember to subscribe. Pretty please. Everything's okay. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.